In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a Shopify plan, disable the password, and make your website live. If you're currently exploring Shopify on a trial basis, you might have noticed that your site is locked with a password. This means that anyone trying to visit your site will be greeted with a password page, which is standard during the trial period to help you test and build without interruptions. While this setup is useful initially, it's not ideal when you're ready to launch your site to the world. To move past this stage and make your site publicly accessible, you need to choose a Shopify plan. Now, let's walk through the process of purchasing a plan, which is a crucial step before you can disable the password protection. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and looking at your store's admin dashboard. Direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the dashboard, where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Settings section, keep an eye out for the word Plan. Click on it to proceed to the next screen. In this area, you'll see a button labeled Choose Plan. Clicking on this button will take you to a comprehensive showcase of the various plans Shopify offers. Each plan will come with its own set of features, corresponding benefits, and of course, pricing details. Take your time to carefully assess which plan aligns best with both your goals and budget. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur just starting out or an established business looking for advanced features, Shopify has a variety of options to choose from to fit different types of businesses. Reviewing these details might seem a bit daunting at first, but it's essential to select the right plan. Consider the features you really need, such as the number of products you plan to sell, the level of customer support you anticipate needing, and the transactional fees that will influence your bottom line. Choosing wisely here means that you're setting up a stable foundation for your online business. Once you decide on the plan that best meets your needs, making your site live is simply a few clicks away. It's also worth noting you won't be able to remove that password protection until your payment has been processed and associated with your chosen plan. Remember, a little preparation at this stage will help ensure a smooth, successful transition from a test site to a functional storefront that's ready for visitors. And that's it. With these steps, you're all set to take a significant step towards a live, accessible Shopify site. You'll now be able to engage more deeply with your customers and drive your business forward, unhindered by password restrictions. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on this exciting journey with your online store.